Hare Krishna Maharaj, please accept my obeisances. All glories to you and your service for all these years in ISKCON. We're so grateful to have this opportunity to glorify you and to thank you for what you have meant to each of us personally and also for this movement. When I think back to how you offered support and assistance to Srila Prabhupada in those early days, I'm just overwhelmed with how grateful I think Krishna will have been that his pure devotee was offered such kindness, assistance, and even friendship from you that gave Srila Prabhupada some insight and confidence that his fledgling Krishna consciousness movement would take root in the Western world. And I think that's something that Prabhupada and Krishna will never forget in your service. But you have continued to offer that same kindness, service and support over all these decades. I first got to meet you at Bhaktivedanta Manor, and at that time I was so impressed that this is what a devotee is. This is here are the qualities, here is the dedication that each of us, taking up service for Prabhupada, must strive for in our lives. You have offered so much to ISKCON over the years. You have fought to protect it on many, many occasions, including, all the help that you gave us during the Manor campaign. You have really tried to bring ISKCON to the attention of the public, to show what it is worth, to show its value and relevance in modern society. You have worked so hard to try and make ISKCON admired by society so that people can understand and appreciate what it has to offer and maybe take it up for themselves and implement its ideals and policies more broadly. So we thank you for all the services you offered, and particularly for all the friendship that you have given so many devotees and the lives you have touched over all this time. And we are looking forward to gaining your association personally, and please continue inspiring us and continuing the mission to make ISKCON relevant and attractive to the world. Is probably more needed now than ever before. Thank you very much, Maharaj. All glories to you on your Vyas Puja celebrations. Hare Krishna.